Dad, the moon is following our car.
Is the moon really following Jack? Stay and find out.
The moon is there. I move. The moon is still there. Dad, the moon is following our car. Following us?
Oh, Jack, the moon is not following you.
But it is always there. I look left, there. I look right, there.
Jack, why are you scared of the moon?
I am not scared. It is strange.
Good question, Jack. Good question. I will explain.
Everyone looks at the moon. It is enormous. It is beautiful.
Look, it was here before. It is here again. It follows us.
Jack, please, let Mama explain. When things are very far, they look very small.
But the moon is big, not small.
Yes, the moon is big. It is very, very big and very, very far.
The moon is 384,000 kilometers from Earth. Oh, is it really that far?
The moon is far away. Your movement is very small, so the angle does not change.
The angle.
I move left, I move right, the moon is always there. Look!
Okay, I try it. My thumb and the moon together. Whoa! It is not following us. It is just big and far.
That is the moon. Moon. It is a natural satellite. It goes around the Earth. Moon, star, sky, dark, night, beautiful!
If I hide, maybe the moon cannot see me.
Jack, the moon is 384,000 kilometers away. It cannot see you. Stop the car. We look at this moon properly. Everyone out. Everyone out. Look at this beautiful night sky. Okay, I am not scared. I just did not understand.
Wait, what is on the moon? What is on its surface?
Great question. Tonight we find out. Let's go home and look.
The moon is still following us.
I know. I like it now.
Jack, hold this. Steady. Good.
I helped set up the telescope.
I am ready. I have my notebook. What do we learn first? Good. First, look at the moon through the telescope.
Whoa.
The moon, full of craters, beautiful and strange.
There are holes everywhere. Big holes. What are those?
Those are craters, Jack.
A rock from space hits the moon. Boom! That makes a crater.
Look, here is a very big crater. So many craters on the moon.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Too many.
There are so many craters. I cannot count. Yes, the moon has more than 300,000 craters. I am a meteor. Watch. Boom. I hit the moon. I make a crater.
Do it again. You are a big meteor, Papa.
Those footprints from 1969, they are still on the moon. Today, right now.
Still there? No wind means forever?
The footprints are still there?
Yes, all of it.
1969. That is over 50 years ago. The footprints are more than 50 years old.
The footprints are still there right now? I cannot believe it.
This is the footprint. Still there. Gray dust. No wind to erase it.
Wind, things move. No wind, nothing moves. On the moon, nothing. Still.
Space is very quiet. No sound, no wind, no voice.
Hello, footprint. It is me, Jack. I see you up there. Hello.
The moon is covered in fine gray dust. Like this. Soft, very fine, gray. question. Is the moon smooth or rough? I need to know.
Great question, Anna. Jack, you look. You tell Anna, smooth or rough?
It is rough. So many craters.
Together. We look together. We learn together. Always together.
Look at that. Just look at that.
They look at the moon. The moon looks at them. The night is beautiful.
Inside, everyone, it is cold outside, but we are warm with new knowledge.
I want to look at more craters and the footprints and the dust.
Wait, I have the most important question. We always see the same face of the moon. Why?
Good question, Anna. That is a very good question. I do not know.
I know who can answer this. Let's call Teacher Cindy. Hello, Brown family. What a nice surprise. What can I help with?
Hello, Cindy. We have some questions to ask you. It's about the moon.
Ah, the moon. Perfect. I have a chart for this. Look, here are all the moon phases. This is the new moon. We cannot see it. It is there, but dark. No light.
Then, the crescent. A thin, beautiful curve. Crescent. Say it. Crescent.
Crescent, like a banana. And a half moon, like a half pizza. Half. One side bright, one side dark.
The moon goes around the Earth. As it moves, the light from the sun changes. That is what makes the phases.
Crescent, half, full. The same moon, different light, different shapes. Beautiful.
I try. Crescent? Is this a crescent? Why does mine look like a dog? I know. Full moon. I make a full moon.
Teacher Cindy, as the moon goes around Earth, why do we always see the same face? Always, every night.
The moon spins, but at the same speed as its orbit. So one side always faces us. Always.
What?
Oh my. It is locked?
I cannot believe it.
And this is the other side, the side you have never seen, the far side of the moon.
Humans never saw that side of the moon until 1959? A whole side of the moon.
In 1959, a Soviet spacecraft flew around the moon and photographed this side. First time ever.
Far side, 1959. First photograph. Soviet spacecraft. Tidal locking.
Jack imagines the far side of the moon, alone, quiet, looking up at stars, and Earth far away.
New moon, crescent, half, full, then back again. 29 and a half days, one full cycle. And the word month? It comes from the word moon. Every month is one moon cycle.
Thank you, Teacher Cindy.
Discover and learn. Goodbye, Brown family.
Ready for a space trip? Imagination on, Brown family. We go to space now. Are we going?
I am ready. Let's go.
Space. The Brown family is in space. Quiet, vast, beautiful. Stars everywhere.
Look, Earth, our home. From here, it is so small and so beautiful. I can see clouds and blue and land, our Earth.
The moon! It is there, ahead of us. We are going to the moon! To the moon, Papa!
The moon gets bigger, bigger. Craters visible. The family moves closer to the moon. Gray, very gray and quiet. No air, no sound, no wind. The moon is silent.
I am floating! I am floating! Zero gravity! Yes, this is the best!
Gravity. Everything falls. Earth pulls everything down. That is gravity.
Jack, watch where you. Oh no!
We are spinning! Earth, strong pull. Moon also pulls, but weaker, much weaker.
On the moon, I jump and I go so high. Whoa, so high!
The Earth pulls the moon pulls the Earth. Gravity, an invisible pull, always there. The moon pulls the ocean water. This is a tide. The water moves because of the moon.
The ocean goes up because of the moon? The moon controls the ocean?
2 tides every day. The ocean goes up and then down. Up, down, because of the moon. The moon is moving away from Earth. Every year, 3.8 centimeters farther.
3.8 centimeters per year times 1 million years. That is 38 kilometers in a million years.
Billions of years from now. Not now. Not in our life. The moon will stay close for a long, long time.
Don't go, moon. Please, I just became your friend.
Jack, the moon does not know it is moving. It cannot hear you.
That is sad.
And also scientific.
Our nearest neighbor in space, the moon. Always there, always beautiful.
Time to go home. Earth waits. The Brown family turns back.
We are back! What a trip.
I need to write everything down.
Okay, kitchen science time. We need to feel the moon in the kitchen. This ball is Earth, round, spinning, beautiful, Earth.
And I am the moon. I go around Earth, around and around always.
I am the meteor. Watch out! Boom!
Earth is tilted, always. This angle. This is why we have seasons.
Summer in January, winter in July, hot at the poles, cold at the equator. Without the moon, no stable seasons. So the moon protects us? It keeps Earth stable. So the moon is our shield?
Yes, the moon keeps Earth stable. It is like a good neighbor, keeping things calm.
I pour water. This is the ocean. Now, can we make a tide?
The moon's gravity pulls, the water follows, like this. See? The water moves toward the pole.
Tide out now. Watch, the water level changes. Lower on this side. I measure. Fish, crabs, small animals, they need the tides to live. The moon helps them too. Moon, crater, phase, orbit, gravity, tide. Say each one. Moon, crater, phase.
We need the moon. It helps everything on Earth. Without it, chaos. With it, stability. Life.
Orbit. The moon orbits Earth. Orbit means goes around. One orbit, 29.5 days.
Moon, crater, phase, gravity, tide, astronaut, footprint. I know all the words.
Well done, Jack. I am so proud of you tonight. I can see the moon from here. The moon is very far away. The moon is beautiful.
And now, the moonwalk. like astronauts walking on the moon.
Brown, this is a science episode.
Back outside. One last look at the moon. Blankets, come.
Here, garden, blanket, moon above. Perfect.
I was scared of the moon before. Now I love it. I love the moon.
The moon is so old and still changing, still making tides, still shining every night. Every night, the moon is our neighbor, the closest thing to us in space, always there.
It keeps us safe, like a big friend in the sky. Our moon. I like our moon very much. Gravity, tide, astronaut, footprint. I know them. I know all of them.
Full, crescent, half, new moon. All phases of our moon. Beautiful.
Distance, far, space, quiet, beautiful. All good words, all true.
The word month comes from moon. Say it with me. Month. Moon. Month comes from moon.
Month, month, month from moon. Month from moon. I got it right.
29.5 days, one full moon cycle. That is 1 month. The word month comes from moon.
What is on the other side of the moon? What is really on the far side? I need to know.
That is a question for next time. Episode 3, The Far Side.
Can we go to the moon one day? Really go? As a family?
Maybe one day, Jack. Maybe one day. The moon is waiting for us. Month equals moon.
Jack waves at the moon. The moon is his friend now.
Goodbye, moon. See you tomorrow. I will look for you. Good night.
The Brown family and the moon, together under the stars. One beautiful night. Good night.
Discover the world. Learn the words. See you next time, Brown family friends. Good night.